Hi there, I'm Rai from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our angled racking system. This assembly covers any angled racking system that we have available. Now the only tool that we're going to need to do this assembly is a PH2 bit on an impact driver. Now that we have everything laid out in front of us, we're going to start by assembling the shelves. On assembly, we want the rough side on the inside of the shelf and the smooth side, that's this side, on the outside. Now to assemble these, we're just going to align the two notches with the back of the shelf. Push that together and then slide that over. Now we're just going to flip that forward, pop our screws in, and then screw them up. So we'll lay that back down, and now we're just going to repeat the process again another 2 times. Now that we've assembled the shelves, we can insert them into the side panels. It doesn't matter whether you start with the left or the right. And then we'll simply align the 3 notches with the holes. And we'll repeat the process another 2 more times. We've got all 3 of our shelves in, we're ready to move over to the other side panel, so I'll grab that, we'll pop it on top. Remembering that we need to keep the rough side on the inside and the smooth side on the outside. Now that we have the side panels on, we're ready to start securing the 2 halves together. We're going to do that with 6 screws down each side. We're going to put a screw in the back of the shelf and the base of each shelf. We'll flip it over and repeat the process on the opposite side. So lastly, we're going to lay it onto its back and install the kick plate which runs along the front. Now we're going to secure this with 2 screws on both sides, making sure the panel is flush with the end of the racking. Again, we'll do the same on the opposite side. And this completes the assembly of our angle shelf racking system. Thank you for watching.